All right, guys, we're back here at the Columbia Wash. I got a universal brush refill here. Just want to show you guys quick how to do this. Not to be afraid of it. If the body of your brush is still good, but you feel like your bristles are a little worn, let's get them replaced with a universal brush refill. So really all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. We don't need to take anything else apart. There's a few screws in here. If you just kind of get the bristles out of the way, you can see that Phillips head screw down in there. And I'm just gonna take my Phillips head screwdriver, bust that free. And I believe there are 4 of them. So I don't try to get those out. I just get them undone. And then when I pop the head out, I'll actually just shake them out onto the floor, make it a little easier. So with those loose, that pops right off. Shake those 4 screws out, grab them, get my brush refill. It looks nice and new. Customer will appreciate that brand new bristle pattern on there. Just slide that right back in. Give it a quick push, make sure it's seated in there correct. And then we're gonna do it in reverse, right? We're gonna find that screw hole, spread the bristles, and get the screws back in. Now you don't have to tighten that too tight. You don't have to send it home. Remember, that's also snapped in there as well. We don't want to strip out those threads at all. But if you have any questions about brush heads, brush head refills, or anything to do with your car wash, give us a call here at Kleen-Rite and we'll get you fixed up.
Kleen-Rite.